Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which country claimed to have shot down 251 enemy drones overnight? Russia. Who dedicated the new NET Patna Behta campus via video conference? Narendra Modi. In Women's Cricket ODI World Cup, which team did India defeat? Pakistan. Which astronomical phenomenon was visible on 6 October 2025? Supermoon. Which Indian para-athletes won a record 22 medals in championship? India. Which article of the Indian Constitution mandates equal access to justice through ADR? Article 39A. Which AI company opened its first office in India in 2025? OpenAI. What percentage of Indian teachers is comfortable using AI tools in classrooms? %70. Which country set up the first coral larvae cryobank in Southeast Asia? Philippines. At what temperature are coral larvae preserved in cryobanks? -196 degrees Celsius. Which Indian state hosts the Sir Creek estuary? Gujarat. Which reverse bridge got destroyed during the Darjeeling disaster? Balso. What legal section allows courts to refer disputes for arbitration or mediation in India? Section 89. Sein Takaichi is going to become the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Japan. Which is the safest metropolis in India according to NCRB's 2023 report? Kolkata. Which team has won the Irani Cup 2025-26? Vidarbh. Where will the UNTCC Heads Conference 2025 be held? New Delhi. Who has launched the Your Capital, Your Right campaign? Nirmala Sitharaman. The 10th National Pollution Response Exercise will be conducted by which institution? Indian Coast Guard. The world's highest motorable road is built on which pass? Meiji LD. Who has been appointed as the new ODI captain of India? Shubman Gill. Who has become the first female Archbishop of Canterbury in England? Sara Mulali. Which medal has been won by Mirabai Chanu at the 2025 World Weightlifting Championships? Silver medal. Who are the richest people in India in the Hurun India Rich List 2025? Mukesh Ambani. Sein Takaichi is going to become the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Japan. Which country hosted the 2025 World Weightlifting Championships? Norway. The 2025 Irani Cup is associated with which sport? Cricket. The world's highest motorable road, Amlingla, is located in which Indian state? Ladakh. Lecanemab, approved in Australia, is a drug for which disease? Alzheimer's. Mirabai Chanu competes in which sport? Weightlifting. Amlingla Pass is located on which border? India-China. The current ODI captain Shubman Gill belongs to which state? Punjab. India's largest renewable energy park is in which state? Gujarat. The Indian Coast Guard operates under which ministry? Defense. The National Disaster Response Force was established in which year? – 2006. The Golden Triangle Tourist Circuit includes which cities? Delhi, Jaipur, Agra. Which is the longest river in India? Ganga. What year was the Indian Constitution adopted? (1949). Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2025? Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. Which sector contributes most to India's GDP? Services. Which Indian state implemented the first 5G network? Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Itanagar. The Bharat Stage emission standards are based on which international norms? Euro. Which Indian classical dance form originated in Tamil Nadu? Bharatanatyam. The headquarters of SAARC is located in which city? Kathmandu. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Which Indian city will host India's first e-waste recycling park? Delhi. Which country's flag is associated with the cargo vessel incident? Singapore. What is the capital of Singapore? Singapore. Which currency is used in Japan? Yen. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.